Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To mend a washer that won't start, first check the power source. Ensure it's plugged in and the circuit breaker isn't tripped. Next, inspect the door latch, as a safety mechanism may prevent starting if not properly engaged. Finally, review the washer's control panel for error codes, which can guide you towards a specific issue. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it might be time to consult a professional repair service for a more comprehensive diagnosis.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.